आप लोग अगर लाइव हैं तो लाइव आएँ, मैं हूँ 10-15 मिनट के लिए। हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम, वेलकम, वेलकम। पूछ सकते हैं जो भी कुछ पूछना हो। एट्टी एट। हेलो। हेलो, वेलकम बैक, वेलकम बैक। जो लोग ऑनलाइन हैं वो आए, बताएं कौन लोग ऑनलाइन हैं, क्या चाहते हैं, किसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए। मैं ऑयल एंड गैस से रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन दे सकता हूँ। आज की मेरा प्लान है कि फैब्रिकेशन की वीडियो बनाऊँ। फैब्रिकेशन और एरेक्शन मेरा दो प्लान है। अब आज और कल में मैं फैब्रिकेशन की कंप्लीट वीडियो एज ए सुपरवाइज़र आपकी क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, और फिर एरेक्शन की कंप्लीट वीडियो मैंने बनाने का प्लान है। उसके बाद 3 इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है जो मुझसे पूछा गया है कि RFI और LHS एंड वेल्ड हिस्ट्री शीट एंड वर्ल्ड मैप, ये 4 चीज़ों को बताना है। RFI, LHS, वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री शीट एंड वर्ल्ड मैप के बारे में मैं आने वाली क्लास में भी डिस्कस करूँगा। 73। हेलो, आप लोग कमेंट नहीं कर पा रहे क्या? हेलो, 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 हेलो। 73। अल्लाह अकबर। मैं आज की क्लास में बताऊंगा फैब्रिकेशन का प्लान है आज का क्लास बनाने का। फैब्रिकेशन के क्लास का मतलब कि एज ए सुपरवाइजर और इंजीनियर हम लोग जब जाते हैं फैब्रिकेशन जॉब पे, फोकस करते हैं कैसे जॉब स्टार्ट, प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करते हैं। शब्बे हिश्म रब्बी वेलकम टू लाइव चॉट रिमोट गार्ड। हेलो, हेलो मिस्टर साजिद हुसैन, मिस्टर रोनाल्ड। हेलो, हेलो मिस्टर रोनाल्ड, हाउ आर यू? रोनाल्ड स्टीफन, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम मिस्टर रोनाल्ड? मिस्टर ऋषि, हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू सर? थैंक यू। 526 5 के बाद 10th. Mr. Gushi from India. Mr. Ronald, where are you from? From India, where, Mr. Gushi? Maybe in Delhi. Mr. Hello, Mr. Sajid Hussain. How are you? How is sir? Maharashtra. Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Ronald from Germany. Huh? Thank you. Thank you for connections. Sir did not share you the masterclass book in PDF. You can text me on my WhatsApp now. I will always ready to share anything. You can ask me anything. I will ready to share with you. Sir, you did not share the masterclass book. I will share. I don't know how I forget. I already share in your mail now. Thank you, Mr. Sajid. What? I will share, Mr. Sajid. Otherwise, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in my post. You can go and you can text me. What you require, you can text me. I will definitely I share with you. Mr. Ronald, thank you. Never, you can contact me next time. Don't worry. Today agenda is I really this week is very tired. After the Ramzan, my job schedule is very hard now, and my traveling also too long because of war. My room location is changed, but I struggle to send the class. Now I don't have a time, so I think now during the sending a class, at least I came to online. Now after some time I planned for making a video. My agenda is piping fabrication engineer or pipe fabrication supervisor. Mr. Sadi, you can contact me. Today agenda is Mr. Piping fabrication engineer. What is the role and responsibility as a fabrication engineer? After that I tell you what exactly doing the fabrication engineer when he is going at site. You can ask me any question if you related to this. You can contact me if you want to ask something special. You can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available on my YouTube post. If you want to ask any related question, you can contact me. No issue. I always ready to share information. 2660 number. Mr. Sajid, you can contact me, no problem, anytime. Tomorrow my holiday, Saturday my holiday, so you can contact me anytime. I am free next 2 days. If you ask me anything, I will really happy. 60. Actually, I want to make video. Actually, my class is 100 number of classes video almost completed, but someone yesterday called me. He's asked me related some question. Ki, sir, if I go on the fabrication shop, sir, who make the loop file and site for the testing? Either it's piping engineer or someone else. Mostly in this case, mostly in the piping engineer prepare a test pack, and sometime he's making a QC, but piping engineer is mostly prepare. Why is piping engineer is prepare the test pack? Because of, you can say also the pre-commissioning engineer, that the pre-commissioning engineer has a responsibility to prepare the test pack, prepare the dossier documentations like this, all the prepare the pre-commissioning engineer. Especially piping engineer also, because of test pack preparation not a big deal, you understand. Big deal is markup. First of all, if you have any plant, then you have to think about it, how we are going to plan for the testing. Testing means if you mark up, like if you have one plant, you cannot test in the whole plant in one time. So markup is important. When you markup is done, you submit to the client, so this type of markup I already done. When the client is agree, this markup is okay, you prepare the test pack. 1 or 2 test pack you can prepare. Take one guy, maybe your supporting document controller or anyone, you teach him how to prepare this test pack, then this guy is prepared for you. Especially if you are prepare any piping engineer, pre-commissioning engineer, or otherwise QC engineer also possible to prepare. Depends on that pre-commissioning job who is take care. Otherwise, if you have long job, my job was almost a number of testing like 400 500 spec. So especially one of the department like pre-commissioning engineering team, that guy is prepare the spec. Who okay, thank you Mr. Gushi. देशभक्त इंडिया, वेलकम वेलकम देशभक्त। यार हम लोग तो देशभक्त नहीं है ना, तुम्हारे रिकॉर्डिंग यही हो गया। इंडिया काफ़ी है, देशभक्त इंडिया। हम लोग इंडिया में नहीं है तो मतलब देशभक्त नहीं हो गए। हाँ 60। Thank you, sir. But my role is a piping design engineer, but I supposed to prepare the loop file during the site visit. No problem. Anybody can prepare the spec who know about the technical things, small. Like technical things, you have to identify your test criteria. Test criteria means how many number of test pressure, how many pipe class in your service. First of all, you can identify the pipe class. Okay, after that you can check the construction possibilities completion, which area is construction completed. After that you can check your material also. After that you can check your testing parameters key, how to do testing like this. So you can support like this, you can check 3D model, and from that behalf of you can make a difference, limit this limit is area, this limit is area. Also checking where is the valve connections, which valve you have to drop, and they put in the blind that area. After that you can doing testing like this. Mostly is cover to the MOV. Avoid MOV area, you can put the boundaries. If you combine the MOV area, that time you have to prepare the dummy spool or something else, so it's difficult. So better you keep your boundary in the MOV area. But my role is a piping design engineer, okay, but I supposed to prepare the test during the site visit. Site visit key, one or two times site visit is okay, but the problem is no possible to do all day site visit. No need, you only just understand how to do the testing, and you think about it, if I select this area for this particular test pack, is possible to do testing or not, like this. If you select long area, maybe from here to maybe 300 meter, okay, yeah, then maybe you have to only 150 meter is your line is ready, 150-meter line is not ready, maybe after 3 months is ready. So because of that reason, in the 300-meter line, 150-meter line is ready, but you cannot do testing because of is cover all the area. So it's better you partially testing also, otherwise you divide in two test pack that area also. I have already many video related to the test pack preparation. If you are new, you can join my master class. You can understand everything, how to select, how the selection of the testing parameter, how to do the boundary markup, how to do the testing like this, all related to the information available in my master class. So if you know, then you can join. Otherwise, you can check my WhatsApp post. Sorry, you can check my YouTube post, that I have more information available. You can identify, you can contact with me. I give you more detail how to do markup, how to do testing. Many video available related to the, because I mostly I prepare, I am working in the pre-commissioning and commissioning engineer. That's why. That is good job. Really, I told you, is better than construction. Pre-commissioning engineer or commissioning engineer is better than construction. I think so, because of construction. Okay, new when you are the pass out from the college, that time 4 year, 5 year, 6 year is okay. But after the 6, 7, 9 year, 10 year, is construction is not too much. It's better than you can switch from construction to pre-commissioning, pre-commissioning to commissioning. Thank you, Mr. Gushi. You can check my me itself had to prepare the PPTD and the when to prepare loop file. Very nice, na? No issue. Then you know about more, if you more information about mechanical completion, dossier documentations, RFC dossier documentation. If you want to know about more detail related to the CRB, construction release book, and then after that PSSR, but RFC after RFC CRB construction release book, then you know need to information related this, you can ask me anything. 60. Yes, yes. When you going to site, check exactly. Walaikum salam, Mr. Ali Army 60. How are you, Mr. Army? How was your Eid? Mr. Army. How was your Eid? Means it is from expense. Expenses, huh? You are a genius, na. Mr. Ali Army. Hoshi criteria for PWST. PWST criteria depends on your which line you are going to do PWST. If you want to know about more PWST, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. I give you one PDF notes related to the. I have one I have one form Excel sheet to which line is going to PWST, what criteria. If you have a CS line, carbon steel line, then you can go. If your CS line is 18.5 or more than 18.5 in thickness, then you have to go to the PWST. I will tell you. Wait 1 minute. PWST means thickness based criteria also available. Thickness based criteria means carbon steel pipe. If you have a carbon steel pipe, then maybe your pipe is maybe 30 inches or 40 inches or maybe 18 inch, or the thickness is 18.5 mm, more than 18.5 mm, then you need to do PWST. For the alloy steel, this is the carbon steel or LTCS steel, okay. For the alloy steel purpose, lower thickness like 13 mm or less than 13 grade, PWST, even low thickness also required alloy steel. Means alloy steel you have to provide the PWST in any thickness. Why CS? Because of thickness you giving the PWST, with a higher residual stress, and that more than thickness means higher residual stress. Or PWST basic meaning is remove the residual stress. Due to if your residual stress you not remove, because of this reason maybe a joint is damaged or like this. If your carbon steel pipe like A106, ASTM A106 or A, so PWST required based on thickness only, used in the piping. Not mostly piping system is not more than 18.5. Some of the cases is piping is going more than 18.5. Wait, I finished, Mr. Gushi. After that, for the LOST like P11, P22, P5, P91, PWST mandatory. Means in the LOI steel you have to mandatory PWST, pre-heat, post-heat, PWST, everything, because of hydrogen cracking on this line. That's why. Okay, for the stainless steel piping, usually stainless steel piping have a no PWST. Means in the PWST not required in the SS piping. Okay, but some of the cases you want to for the stress relief, for the special service or something, that time is required. Okay, so means CS pipe more than 19.5 thickness, then you have to require PWST. For the alloy steel, all time PWST required. A stainless steel, no PWST required until some of the stress relieving work on the special criteria or special service, that time you are doing to only. PWST also required depends on the service, which service you are going to use the PWST, like high temperature service, hydrogen service, that kind of things. If you are available like H2S service, that time required to avoid the corrosion cracking. Okay, now Mr. Ali, B31.3 has a 16.5 mm thickness criteria, but according to me, when I learned, that time is 18.5. I don't know how you say 16.5. Okay, if you have a B31.3 or B31.3 book, or you already identify 16 mm more than 16 mm, then your PWST required. But when I learn that time I know 18.5 mm. If you have any valid document, okay, no problem, you can continue. PWST temperature, if you know, I will tell you, no problem. Carbon steel AB 580 to 6 something. Alloy steel means 700 approx. One last, what 10% RT and 100% RT, how to ensure the exact percentage. 10% RT means if you're doing a 10 joint, then you have to do RT in one joint. Sometime that one joint is selected by client. Client is decided who you are going to do testing. But some of the point, some of the client is not fixed. Is our QC team is decided which joint is going to the test. The 10% is, so means which one is the best joint, like pipe to pipe or like this straight joint is very good, that one he is doing the percentage. Maybe if he is taking the 5 joint of RT, then means he all the 5 joint is passed, that means he have a secure to 50 joint on the same pipe class. If the pipe class is changed, that time again is taking. Last, what is the 100% means if you do any joint, that time need to be hard test. Yeah, need to do RT. If the 10% if any joint is repair, means you have to do, going for the RT one joint, that one joint is repair, then you have to take 2 joint in the same joint. He is making a list 10 joint. Of this 10 joint, he is taking one RT. If that RT is repair, means his RT is not successfully completed and okay, that time you can take 2 more joint on the same cases, same list. If both joint is okay, then okay. Otherwise, if anyone is repair, then again 2 joint is taking, is continuously process. Yeah, yes sir, it's 19.19. My bad, no problem, no problem. No one here genius. Me also try to explain. I don't know, maybe 6-7 years ago I do RT. That's why. Yeah, sorry, PWST. Sorry. Ah, 19.5, 19.5. Sorry, 18.5, not 19.5. 100 points RT means you have to do any joint, you have to do the testing. No anything. Yeah, because of this reason, anything. Some of the cases 10 points is very difficult, 10% means when the client is selected the joint, that time he select the difficult joint, not easy. So that's why it's difficult sometimes. But other joints, no, I'm not understand, please tell me. Maybe if I have a 10 percentage of the RT, 10% of RT means if you did any one joint in the RT, behalf of that one joint, you select the 10 more joint of related to this, any 10. So it means this 10 no need to RT. That MT, PT and RT criteria. No, everything is mentioned in the drawing. When you check the isometric drawing, that one already is mentioned. If he's written maybe 100% means 100%, like he's written the PWST, sorry, RT 10%, PT 100%, visual 100%. So that time you can do. If he's doing the 10%, maybe PT 10%, that means you make the document. This document, one joint you can take at behalf of this one joint, you can select 10 more joint. Actually I am sending a class 2640 number. How was my class? Anyone watching my class? You can tell me a small detail. I want to try the live classes, but time limitation, I don't have a time. If I leave the job, then possible only. That's why I have no time. That's why. But if anybody suggests to me how was my class, everything is okay, then I really happy. 40. I think Mr. Ali Army may be suggested. Hello, Mr. Sachin Tendulkar. Sorry, Sachigama. Sorry, Sachigama. I think it's Sachin. Hello, Habibi. Come to Dubai. Mr. Ali Army. I am completing the BTech in May. After that, how should I start my journey? There, if you completed the BTech, you can join anywhere in the oil and gas piping. So anywhere you can go, you find the pipe, you can check what is the 6-inch pipe, 8-inch pipe, who is CS pipe, who is SS, LTCS. You can try to identify the who is CS, who is LTCS, what is OD, what is ID. You know, if somebody gives you the 1-inch pipe, 3/4 inch pipe, and maybe half-inch, very difficult to identify which one is the half-inch, which one is the 3/4, huh? Because most of the time you can check the OD of the pipe. Then OD, half-inch OD, and 3/4 inch OD, and 1-inch OD is very difficult to remember. You know, job opening in Gulf country. You know, it depends on your consultancy where you're going to contact with the consultancy. You can try with the Mumbai. You can try maybe Vadodara. If you have experience, you can try Noki Gulf or Noki.com. You can make your profile 100%, activate your mobile number continuously. Maybe somebody checked in your profile, notification came on your Gmail, you can check your Gmail, you can contact with him, that can get that type. Now now the time is also upgraded, huh? You don't go in the Mumbai looking for the job, you can stay in your hometown. If before you already working, so before you don't have a time, so now you stay home, maybe you check update your Noki Gulf, Noki.com, LinkedIn 3 profile, huh? You continuously operate like your Facebook, you using that type of use your LinkedIn, Noki Gulf or Noki.com. Within 1 month somebody, maybe 2-3 guys message you regarding the openings, then you can contact with him and you can give the interview. If you select, then you can go. 40 40 because online searching job is easy as compared to going Mumbai. I never go now, that's why I have no idea. Any reference? Actually, if you get a job in reference, depends on you. If you're working in the contractor or EPC company, actually my company is not EPC. So most of the cases he is hire the company. See, I'm working here. My company from different country. He's most of the time is operated from other side. I don't know how he's selected the people. How like this? He's only online. Like you, he's sending the mail. If you are okay, he's doing the online interview. Then you can. I don't know how is joining process in my company especially because my company is from Greece, not from here. Most of the cases he is. Joining process maybe from Dubai, maybe from Greece, depends on that guy. Some of the you can update your Noki Gulf on Noki.com. That time he is automatically contact with you. Most of the company now this time, most of the company he is a have one software. So because of the software, which type of people he required, he put the keyword in that software. This type of keyword is required. Then he is look for the CV, which type of CV is available in the market. Then he is giving that CV, you can contact this him. Only the selected CV that HR team is contact with him. If I call him, if somebody call me today about this type of job vacancy available, I can say, madam, you can, my one of my brother is available here. Can you possible you contact with him and you can ask if he is ready to join. You can take interview. No, Absal, actually not like that. If my system is showing your CV, that means I call you only. No possible to I talk with your brother like this. Okay, if any reference, I will tell you, no problem. You can contact me on my WhatsApp. Hello. Yes, so thank you. Thank you, Mr. Ushi. Thank you. I already visit now. Many time I visit in Mumbai, but I am not going for the interview. I am going for one time I go 2019. I go for the interview. That ATL building. I don't know the which is the place where the LNT office. That area I go. I forget the name which area, but the building name is ATL building. Ghatkopar. I stay in the Ghatkopar. Then I go to the ATL building where the LNT's office area. I don't know the exactly name. Then I do go for medical. He's giving the address for going. Same day I return. Then I 2-3 time my flight from Mumbai. Then I go to Mumbai, from Mumbai to my flight from Africa. But never visit for searching job. Some of my friend told me it's very difficult. Air Oli, what is the Air Oli? I don't know. Okay, now the 14. Maybe I don't know. I forget actually. That ATL building I know. Or that area LNT office. Maybe the chance I forget. 2018 I visit that one. That area actually. That's why. 32. 32 already. 33. Okay, if everything is okay, if you don't want to ask any question, okay, no problem. Tomorrow maybe I will come online, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. I try. Zero, zero. La ilaha illallah, la sharika lahu. Lahul mulku. 26, 26, 26, 26. हेलो, कौन बंदा अभी तक ऑनलाइन है? एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यार, मैं भी थोड़ा बिजी रहता हूँ, इसके लिए लाइव नहीं आ पाता हूँ, लेकिन कोशिश करूँगा मैं लाइव आने की। मैं आता हूँ ऑलरेडी। कल मेरा ऑफ है तो मैं ट्राई करूँगा आने की। ओके, हाँ, बाकी आप लोग कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं, ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। बहुत सारे बंदे थे। सचिन, सचिगम, सचिगम, which number, which number, which number? This one is 16th number, number 26.
والذي قدر فهدى والذي أخرج وزاد شاء فلا تنسى إلا ما شاء إنه يعلم الجهر ويخفى سيذكر من يخشى
Okay, thank you for everyone.